everyone. Today we're going to practice our sounds. Now, the ones you already know are mountain. Maisie, mountain, mountain. We also know apple. Round the apple, down the leaf. And the last sound that we learned was snake. Slither down the snake. And now, today, our new sound is, drumroll please. Yes, it's the D sound. D. Let's try my turn and your turn. D. 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 Well done. Now let's take a look at the picture. D, 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 dinosaur. I'm sure you like that one. D, 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 dinosaur. Let's try my turn and your turn. D, 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 dinosaur. Good job. One more time. D, 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 dinosaur. Yes, well done. This sound is a bouncy sound. D, 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 dinosaur. D, 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 dinosaur. This is how you write the dinosaur sound. The D sound. Round the back, up the neck, and down to the feet. Well done. Take a look at how you can do it now.
Round his back, up his neck, down to his feet. Round his back, up his neck, and down to his feet.
Now let's do our speed sounds. First the picture, then the sound. Ready? Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Dinosaur. D. Good job.
Take your magic finger, round his back, up his neck, and down to his feet. Well done. That's the D sound.
Now, do you remember our friend Frank the frog? He's a friend of Fred's. You'll see Fred very soon, I hope. And Frank, just like Fred, speaks in sounds. Can you think of any words that begin with our D sound? Well, we have dinosaur, dog, dome, doll, dad, dig. There are so many words that start with the D sound. I want you to go and see in your house what things you can find that begin with the D sound. Lastly, we're going to try our super speedy sounds. I'm going to change the card and you have to say the sound. Okay? You have to be fast. This one is D. S. D. S. D. S. D. Well done. Everyone, give yourself a marshmallow clap. And take your hand and give yourself a pat on the back. And say, well done me. Okay, everyone, that's it from me. Bye-bye. Practice your sounds.